Hi folks, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute little flower here. These are just made of scraps of cotton yarn that I've had. I've been busy making face scrubbies and washcloths and little soap holder bags, all kinds of things. So this really does not take, I'm going to make one for you today. It just a little bit of leftover yarn is all it's going to take to make this cute little flower. And I have left the ends of this long because I'm going to use this then to insert and weave around into, whatever I ended up attaching them to. And I might attach them, maybe 3 of them. That would be kind of pretty if I did 3 of them together on something. That would be a nice little combination. Let's pretend that I don't have the long stuff there, that's all you see. And then I might do a single one on top of a white one, or maybe 2 together. But they're so cute. So I just wanted to take some time and just quickly show you. I'm going to be using an H size hook today. Of course, I have mine that has a nice soft ergonomic handle on it so that my hand doesn't get sore when I'm working. So the very first thing, here's my end of my yarn. Here's my magic circle. Put it over your 3 fingers. And I'm going to insert my hook, pull through. This is just a very quick little pattern. Get this tighter, make a tight little knot, and then I kind of adjust this a little bit to work inside that magic circle. Now I crochet 1, whoops, and that doesn't mean anything, okay? And I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. All right, so I'm going to do 6 single crochets inside the circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then go ahead, oopsies, pull it tight, relatively snug. You can snug it up later. It doesn't have to be real tight right now, and my yarn is bunching up on me. Hang on a second. When you get down to these few scraps of yarn, they have a tendency to bunch up because they're kind of not as long and straight. So anyway, so I'm going to do a slip stitch into these top 2 loops here. That's the top 2 loops of that first single crochet, all right? So the slip stitch, I'm going to pull the yarn through and pull the yarn through. Now I'm ready to go. So I had tried to do this first one like I am going to do the other ones, but I found that there's too big of a gap. So when I do this first one, it's slightly different than all the other stitches around. So this first one's going to be a chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I single crochet back into that first space. So we'll single crochet. Now the next one, this is all the other ones you're going to do are just like this. So I'm going to put my yarn hook through the next 2 loops, grab the yarn, do a single crochet, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just do a slip stitch back into this first one. Okay, and then single crochet, and then chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and then do the slip stitch back into the first one, and then single crochet, chain, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, oopsies, I almost did a single crochet, oh Lord, okay, and then single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, slip stitch. Whoop, there we go. And the last one, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my slip stitch. And guess what? I'm going to snip my yarn. And I could probably still get another flower out of this. See, I have a little bit left, and I think I can do 1 more flower. So anyways, so now we're going to pull this all the way through. And here is my little flower, just like the rest of them. And we can add this to the next one and figure out how we're going to put those together. So I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make this cute little 6-petal flower. And then you, of course, can add it to your projects that you make along the way. And it just adds a nice little feminine touch. But thank you for watching. If you would subscribe, you'll keep up to date on anything that I post. You'll get a notification right away. This pattern will also be eventually, I haven't done it today yet, but it will be available on patternprincess.com. And please check it out. I have lots of free crochet patterns for you as well. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again.